Hey there, it's Hannah with WTI. I really love to be able to change up my watch band on my Apple Watch to match my different outfits. And I also want to have the breathability and comfort of the silicone sport band, but I want it to be pretty. So I got this 6-pack of watch bands that fit my Apple Watch, and they are absolutely gorgeous. I love these neutral colors, and it has these beautiful boho vibes that I'm just so in love with right now. They have this gorgeous floral detailing. I love how 4 out of the 6 have the rose gold hardware on them as well to match with my Apple Watch. And I like how I could switch it up with the black and silver as well. I love a mixed metal juxtaposition, so I don't mind changing up the metals on my watch. These are such a great option to change up your look to go with your outfits, or just to have a different color every day if that's something that you're into. So I really love these watch bands. I really recommend them. They are so easy to change in and out, and I think that you should definitely pick up a pack for yourself. And that is my point of view.